Let's go! Hey, this is our house! Let's go! Wake him up! Wake him up!
There we go, we go! Hands down! All right, get it right, go ahead! Get it tight, get to our spots, get it right, go! Hey, let's go, baby! Hey, win on three! 1, 2, 3!
High tight, baby, high tight. High tight.
We're sideline football, balls to the walls, baby.
Family on 3! 1, 2, 3! All the way up!
Here we go, kickoff time. Trojans will go left to right towards the torch end of the Coliseum, and we are underway. He hands the ball to Lexington Thomas. He gets across the line of scrimmage, might have dropped it. Trojans land on it, might have got it. Trojans are celebrating like it's their ball in the first play of the season, and it is! Porter Gustin comes up with the fumble.
Way to go. Great job. Communicate.
Daniels drops the pass, steps up in the pocket, downfield, looking for Amon-Ra St. Brown. He's got it! Touchdown! USC! The modern-day connection. The true freshmen team up on a long bomb, and it gives the Trojans some breathing room. In motion, Malapay away. Handoff goes to Ware. Off the right side, he's at the 10. 5, dives, touchdown, USC!
I'm going to take a quick review at it. He actually crossed the goal line with the ball.
It looked like
in
he
his
hit
hand.
the pylon when he was coming down.
Rolling on the field stands.
Let's go! That's what I'm talking about.
For the Trojans, an opening day win. They're 94th in history. Won 17 straight here at home.
Good game, good win, 1-0 on the week. But obviously, as we said in our locker room, we can be even better, and we understand that.